the Addis Ababa Institute of Technology, in collaboration with Ethiopian Railway Corporation, launched the African Railway Education and Research Institute (ARERI) in 2012 to train African students in railway discipline. ARERI, later renamed African Railway Center of Excellence, wants to train a critical mass of Africans in railway engineering fields. The Eastern and Southern African region faces shortage of skilled professionals with specialized knowledge such as civil, petroleum and mechanical engineering, geoscientists and mechanical technicians. The ACE2 project was launched in 2016. Around the same time, the Federal Republic of Ethiopia was replacing the older meter gauge Ethio-Djibouti Railway with the modern electrified railway line. Construction of the Ethio-Djibouti Railway was initiated in 2011, and the 752-kilometer transitional railway line was formally inaugurated for passenger service in 2016. It connects landlocked Ethiopia to the port of Djibouti, and it has been hailed for boosting regional integration and trade.
This program was initially initiated by the Ethiopian Railway Corporation, which is an industry-trailed program, an industry-initiated program. Based on that program, number of students have been graduated from this center, and the railway industry in Ethiopia is now expanding.
Lack of skilled manpower in the railway field in Africa is a hindrance to successful implementation of railway projects. More skills are needed to address such development challenges in Africa. Particularly, science and technology holds the key to this economic transformation. Addis Ababa University, through the African Railway Center of Excellence and the Ethiopian Railway Corporation, developed and established Master of Science and PhD studies in railway engineering with tracks in electrical engineering for railway systems, rolling stock engineering, and railway civil engineering. With credit from the World Bank, the government of Ethiopia has made it possible for African Railway Center to enroll students on government scholarship, improve teaching facilities, and enhance the capacity of the teaching staff. Over 250 students have enrolled at this Center of Excellence since 2016. The center has already released a number of trained graduates who can fill the manpower needs of Africa's burgeoning railway sector. Alula Mebratu is a fourth-year PhD fellow researching traction motors in railway vehicles.
There are a lot of electrical motors, and to study about such a motors and to select the best performance motor and to design a new type of motor and to design a safe drive control system for such traction motors. And I'm designing a 5-phase induction motor.
Before he joined the program, Mebratu was a lecturer at the School of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Addis Ababa University. His studies are fully sponsored by the center, and after his studies, he says he will stay and continue with his teaching job.
The center provides us a chance to participate in the consultancy service for the industry, and I'm part of a team for study the post-project evaluation of the Ethio-Djibouti railway line, and I have a chance to see the traction system of the installed system. I have seen the traction motors, the power converters, and also the power supply system of the system, and this is a good opportunity for me.
Grace McLean is pursuing a Master of Science in Railway Engineering, specializing in traction and train control. She was teaching at the National Institute of Transport in Tanzania when she learned about the opportunities at the Railway Center of Excellence.
My institute, since it is a transport institute, it is in the plan of establishing these railway courses. So for me it was an opportunity because it is a new thing there. So I came here. So this is the right thing because I know that it can be more advantage after I finish here.
Kibuja is one of the only 3 females in a class of 18 engineering students.
A lady in science, it's a good thing. You get more opportunity like men. So you can find some a girl that she likes maybe science, but because of the surroundings, what they are advising her, now can say no, I'll be like a male, those things are hard. But I can advise that I'm also an example that until here, from down there I was taking science, and now I'm here about to complete my master's studies. So I'm encouraging them that they should come here. There are opportunities waiting for them.
Grace's research is about detection of faultless interaction motors. She plans to stay in the field of railway engineering for the foreseeable future.
And if those courses, the railway courses start there, I can be on a front line to teach them. So I can help more now. Yeah, being a teacher there, I can help more than like everyone can come here. So for me, I'm seeing myself helping my institute there. And for the long term, I'm thinking of joining a PhD to continue myself in this railway infrastructure to understand it more.
Tassaba Fisa is also pursuing his master's degree in civil infrastructure.
It's a great opportunity. Most of the BA degree, a bachelor degree, engineering graduates in our country are younger, so the work opportunities are also narrow. So we are hired in different private and governmental institutions with a low salary. So no one can afford to pay and get a master program opportunity without getting such kind of scholarships. So the opportunity is great. Before this year, I tried 3 times to join to get this opportunity.
Alongside his studies, Tassaba also works at the Addis Ababa City Road Authority as a site engineer for road maintenance.
There are a lot of opportunities in the future in the country as well as in the region. So I hope I will join the railway industry. I will work there, and also I need to continue my PhD program.
Danson holds a bachelor in electrical and electronics engineering at the Technical University of Kenya.
Looking at the challenges we have in Africa, we have challenges of transportational issues. I believe that the solution to those challenges are within us. And to me, this opportunity is an opportunity whereby I will utilize the knowledge I'll get here to at least find some few solutions to the pertinent challenges we have in the continent of Africa.
Danson's research study is exploring the use of artificial intelligence and how to make trains more comfortable and reliable.
Use of artificial intelligence and robotics to control the operations of trains. That is something which I will try to really research into.
The center has established a number of mutually beneficial partnerships with the private sector.
We'll have some collaboration with the Ethiopian Railway Corporation to train students, to train their staffs, and even now we are doing some post-project evaluation with the Ethiopian Railway Corporation, which is a huge task for the university, and we are doing with them, which is about 35 million Ethiopian birr.
It's more than 600 kilometers only in the Ethiopian boundary, from Sabeta to Danwali, that's in Ethiopian boundary. After that, there is almost 100 kilometers in Djibouti section.
The Railway Center has also established collaboration with higher education institutions.
We have a partnership agreement with the Southwest Jiutang University in China, then the Norwegian Institute of Technology in Norway. Again, we have already signed a memorandum of understanding with the Sofia University in Japan. Again, we'll have a memorandum of understanding with universities in the country, Bahar Dar University, Jimma University, Redwa Polytechnic, and others.
Financial sustainability should be a concern for African Center of Excellence, especially after the closure of the World Bank Finance. However, the Railway Center is optimistic about its future.
Sustainability is not a problem for us because this program was established in 2012, which is 5 years before the establishment of the World Bank ARCE Center. So we don't have any problem regarding sustainability and other issues.